right, bring her down steady. We are aligned with the forward cradle.
Confirmed, steady as she goes. The transporter is almost at the marker, confirming all safety zones are clear.
Clear on this side, lead. We are seeing significant water drainage from the central structure. Check the weld integrity on this joint B.
Significant cracking, likely stress-induced corrosion. The barnacle density is remarkable. Recovered after 4 decades beneath the waves, the extent of the marine deterioration is remarkable.
All right, let's get the large torque wrenches positioned at joint 4. Copy that, making sure the hydraulic lines are clear before we start disassembly. Watch the water run off from the main housing.
After 40 years submerged, the thick industrial foam and reinforced brushes are finally cutting through the deep layers of marine corrosion.
Look at the pitting on this load-bearing surface. The corrosion goes deep.
Yep. Recording that now. We'll need extensive reinforcement here. The corrosion on the starboard leg is worse than anticipated. We'll need to fabricate new casings before we attempt to pressurize the hydraulics. Look at the schematic here. We need to verify the alignment.
The measurements match the blueprint exactly.
The seals are finally giving way. Take the tension with the crane. Copy that. Steady lift initiated.
Watch the threads on this fitting, it's almost seized. Yeah, get that cap on as soon as it clears. Okay, ease off on the tension. Pins are clear on this side. Copy that, taking the load.
Alignment holding steady at the midpoint. Temperature nominal.
Check the pressure on line 4.
Reading steady at 500 psi. The linkages are smooth.
Check the pressure on the main hydraulic line, it looks low. Confirmed, reading 75 bar. We need to verify the gearbox lubrication levels now.
Okay, lower it slowly. Watch the clearance on the manifold. Right there, hold it. Alignment looks good. Secure the forward brackets. Lower it slowly, just a few more centimeters.
Alignment confirmed. Ready for the pivot pin.
Easy now, center her up. Looks good. Hold it there, we're clear to bolt. Watch the alignment guides on the left.
Looks good. Pressing the seal now, keep it uniform.
Okay, looks solid.